Today we will get into the mindset of expecting and receiving miracles. I will lead with an affirmation. Next, you are welcome to repeat with me or just listen whenever you would like to raise your vibration in order to let go of stagnancy. Subscribe to become part of the Neptune tribe. You are full of miracles. I am full of miracles. Your life is full of miracles, big and small. My life is full of miracles, big and small. The people you meet are not a coincidence. The people I meet are not a coincidence. The places you go are not a coincidence. The places I go are not a coincidence. The gut feeling you have is not a coincidence. The gut feeling I have is not a coincidence. You are powerful. I am powerful. You are full of miracles. I am full of miracles. You have a purpose. It will reveal itself to you if it hasn't yet. I have a purpose. It will reveal itself to me if it hasn't yet. Your life has a purpose. My life has a purpose. Everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Everything is a lesson, good and bad. Everything is a lesson, good and bad. Everything shapes you into the wonderful person you are. Everything shapes me into the wonderful person I am. We are one. We are one. We are nature. We are nature. We are all connected. We are all connected. Humans, animals, plants, water. Humans, animals, plants, water, fire, earth, air, fire, earth, air. Our lives have not happened at random. Our lives have not happened at random. It is the perfect symbiosis. It is the perfect symbiosis. You are here for a reason. I am here for a reason. The universe is conspiring on your behalf. The universe is conspiring on my behalf. Everything is working out in your favor. Everything is working out in my favor. All these things happen for you, not to you. All these things happen for me, not to me. You are powerful. I am powerful. Your thoughts are powerful. My thoughts are powerful. Your words are significant. My words are significant. Your intentions are meaningful. My intentions are meaningful. All your wishes come true. All my wishes come true. Whatever you are wishing for is already yours. Whatever I am wishing for is already mine. You have asked for it, and you are trusting it is coming to you. I have asked for it, and I am trusting it is coming to me. You do not worry about the how. You are letting go and believing everything is working out. I do not worry about the how. I am letting go and believing everything is working out. There is enough for everybody. There is enough for everybody. You let go of the lack mindset. I let go of the lack mindset. We are all capable and able to manifest miracles. We are all capable and able to manifest miracles. There is no lack in this world. There is no lack in this world. There is unlimited abundance instead. There is unlimited abundance instead. Your possibilities are endless. My possibilities are endless. Your opportunities are unlimited. My opportunities are unlimited. Your ability to trust is infinite. My ability to trust is infinite. Your trust is as steady as the year's seasons. My trust is as steady as the year's seasons. Your love for life is as steady as the walls of a house. My love for life is as steady as the walls of a house. Your curiosity for life is as steady as the ocean's waves. My curiosity for life is as steady as the ocean's waves. Your life could be astronomically different tomorrow. My life could be astronomically different tomorrow. Meaningful things happen quickly and effortlessly. Meaningful things happen quickly and effortlessly. You let go of what no longer serves you. I let go of what no longer serves me. You make space for what is meant for you. I make space for what is meant for me. You are open to receive all the miracles. I am open to receive all the miracles. Thank you for sending all the miracles my way. Thank you for sending all the miracles my way. Thank yourself for taking the time for you. I am wishing you a fantastic day or night, wherever it is that you are at this moment.